Capital Improvement is here in Mandeville, Louisiana. Checking out the new bronze screen room project for the Flower family. As you can see, it is completely enclosed now. They have a completely enclosed patio with a nice bronze colored screen room. And this is the outside looking in. So let's go inside and check it out. Walking into the new screen room. Awesome, and this is their new screen room enclosure, looking from the inside out. So now they're going to be able to keep all the debris out and all the bugs out, and they're going to be able to enjoy their lovely barbecue area.